What's up, you guys? It's Adam, aka Marf, and this is Marfoogle News. So if you thought that AI and face recognition is already creepy, just wait. It's about to get a whole lot worse. Stick around. So reportedly, a Japanese company called VAC is developing a system to catch the thieves. But get this, it's not actually catching them after the fact, it's catching them before. It says right here that the Japanese company VAC has developed software that can detect whether someone will steal before they actually do it. Japanese startup VAC has developed a new AI system that can analyze security footage in order to, quote, read a person's body language to detect fidgeting, restlessness, and other cues in order to spot and stop potential thieves before they commit a crime. They say it is a solution to a $34 billion problem a year, and they have already implemented this. In 2018, it actually helped catch somebody before they even stole something. And of course, they were watching it like an experiment, and sure enough, they stole something. So if you think that this is a good thing and you're like, well, I don't steal, so I don't care, well, it's still AI and it's still facial recognition. It's kind of like that over-paranoid clerk in the store that's following you around because you might not be dressed so nice. Maybe you left the house in your sweatpants or whatever, and this guy's following you from aisle to aisle. You feel like a criminal when you're not. That's how I kind of feel about it, but I would love to hear your guys' opinion. Do you think that this is something that society should have? Do you think AI doesn't belong in anything? It's all up to you guys. So please leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Be safe, be prepared, and Marf out.